Hello everybody and welcome to week 5 of our class. Well, this is it, the final week. This is the final push. Give it everything you've got because this is the week that is the culminating, the final, the capstone week of our class. Bridging learning, careers, and community this week. And I'm going to scroll down. Our 3 objectives are we're going to strategize how to achieve long-term personal goals. And these again are SMART goals. We'll describe how communication, information literacy from this past week, and theory relate to your academic and your professional success. And we're going to create an action plan for academic and career success. This week we have a number of required learning activities, week 5 overview, faculty feedback, which I may move into a recommended learning activity, chapter 13 in our book, academic and career planning. This is our careers week. Connections chapter 14, celebrating your success and connecting what we've learned to the future. Building learning, career and community, college specific resources. And that looks so, let me see if I can pull this out, and I really can't, so I'm just going to put it right here so you can see. This is what that page will look like, and each one of these are useful resources. College of Humanities and Sciences, College of Education, depending on what college you're going into. And I can move this over, College of Business. I know a lot of you are going into the College of Business right here. And some of you are going into Information Technology. So check these out. I think you're going to find these to be very interesting and very helpful. In addition, we're going to talk about digital presence and image management. What is digital presence? What is image management? And then leveraging student assignments for future success. Now, our assignments this week, as you see, there are only 2. One is participation, a minimum of 8 substantive notes across at least 3 days, worth 4 points, and then the Rise to the Top action plan. The assignment which is worth 15 points. This is 15% of your grade, everybody. I urge you to take time and to work through this assignment carefully. Mechanics will count. Grammar, spelling, punctuation will count. Filling in all parts of this assignment will count. So let's take a peek at the assignment for a minute. I'm going to try to move this over. Okay. This assignment has multiple parts. You will first develop an academic SMART goal. Remember, every SMART goal begins with the words I will. You empower yourself to achieve the goal by starting it with I will. It is only 1 sentence long, not multiple sentences, 1 sentence, and this is an academic, which means it has to be school related. The next box down, you will be doing another SMART goal, and this one again begins with I will, and this one is a professional SMART goal, meaning it relates to your career, strictly your career, not after graduation. I want to only read something related strictly to your career. There should be nothing in that goal that relates to school. Okay? The next part is you're going to be writing a 200 to 250 word essay, short essay. You're going to be discussing the resources, tools, strategies, and each one of these 2 bullet points must be included in your response. How does setting SMART goals lead to success? Using areas identified by your ACEs assessment, discuss specifically how you will improve these areas. How can concepts of grit and growth mindset help you? We want 200 to 250 words. Again, mechanics count. The next section is communication. In 200 to 250 words here, you're going to discuss the resources, tools, and strategies you'll use to develop your communication skills. We have been discussing communication. Remember, communication is both written and spoken. It also includes listening and body language. Okay? All 4 of these bullet points must be included in your response. Okay? Well, actually, it doesn't have to be, but it's recommended. Okay? I strongly recommend that you include these in your response. Okay? But because I need detail. And without including these bullet points, you will not have the detail that's necessary to earn full points. Then we move on to critical thinking, which we have been discussing, and information literacy. In 200 again to 250 words, you are going to discuss resources and tools. You will define critical thinking as it relates to academic, which is school, and your professional, which is your career, success. What steps can you take to improve your critical thinking? What are at least two university resources you will use to ensure academic success? 2 resources. Okay? And how does using credible resource both in the library and on the internet relate to academic and professional success? Again, 200 to 250 words. Mechanics counts. I keep saying that. Finally, theory into practice. And again, 200 to 250 words. You're going to review the theories studied throughout the course. These theories include uncertainty. Remember, we talked about uncertainty and uncertainty reduction in week 1. Attribution in, I think that was week 1 or week 2. Grit, growth mindset, and impression management. How can you improve? You don't have to click on every one of these, okay? How does one theory we have studied? Choose one. But I need 200 to 250 words. Once again, everybody, this is worth 15% of your grade. That said, let me go back and move this over if I can. And here we go. And move up to the top. I must reiterate this to everybody. This is our final week of class. All assignments, every last one of them, must be submitted. In other words, week 5 assignments must be submitted by next Monday night at 11:59 p.m. because our class ends at 12 midnight. Like Cinderella, the clock clicks midnight and our class ends. And all assignments must be posted prior to the end of the class. So if you are planning to procrastinate, this is not the week to do it. Do not procrastinate. I must have that assignment in by 11:59 or that 15 points will unfortunately become a 0. Okay? I hate to end this video, with such a strong emphasis, but it is necessary because I've watched this happen to many students and it really saddens me. Be sure you get everything submitted this week on time, and if you're concerned, get it in early. Okay? Once again, have a wonderful week 5, and I will see you in the learning activities.